back to the Monfuego.
Oh, not the one with the angry rock monster.
That's the one.
Nice knowing you, Skylar. Can I have your nest when you're gone?
Ooh, sorry, Princessa. Wish I could help, but I have a cramp in my left wing. Ooh.
That's your right wing.
It's spreading!
Oh, come on, Skylar, please.
Oh, not the sad puppy dog eyes. You know I cannot resist it. Okay, let's go.
Thanks.
Elena! I'm sorry I voted against you.
It's okay, Naomi. I get it. You had to do what you thought was right. And now I have to do what I think is right.
What do you mean?
I have a pretty good idea why Taroka's so angry. I just need to make sure.
You're not going...
Sure am.
Well, then I'm coming with you.
You are? Why?
Because you're my best friend, even if we don't always agree. And as your friend, there is no way I am letting you go alone. Luna?
Say what? Last thing I'm gonna do is go anywhere near that Monfuego.
Isn't this great, Luna? You and me, partners on a risky, dangerous, death-defying mission?
Right now, I wish you were a silent partner.
2 Jacquins going in. Only one may come out.
You keep talking and only one will come out.
Tap on the eye in the top right-hand corner of your screen for more of your favorite Disney Channel shows on YouTube.